Wait, they got a boba kit? Oh my gosh. This is my favorite flavor.
Boba?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's go, honey.
Hey, come on, baby. Let's go, honey. Okay.
That's nasty, baby.
Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Trader Joe's. Where are we going? Trader Joe's. Ooh. Come on. We're getting a dumpling?
Those are the best.
I don't see the dumplings though.
Which ones?
Yes.
Out of stock today. Sorry.
Thank you. I knew they were out of stock. Jace, come here. Come here. Look at her. They got cookie butter. Look, Jace. You want pumpkin ice cream? I love the cookie butter. Cookie butter. What it?
I got that one.
Okay. Great. So the soup dumplings are sold out, of course, but it's like 6 o'clock at night. Well, in the evenings, huh?
Where are we going?
Oh, wait. They got a boba kit? Oh my gosh. This is my favorite flavor.
Boba?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like boba.
Wait.
Wait.
Jake, there's somebody there.
Shida.
Wait.
Shida. Kokano Kiko. Shida.
Thank you.
What are they?
These are telfar and UGG and telfar. Yeah, it's a special collaboration they did. Yeah, telfar and UGG. Yeah. Oh look, they got the rice. Yeah. Let's try this one. Shrimp, I don't see the shrimp. Jace. Got the beef and broccoli. Okay. Turkey burgers. Oh, these are good. Oh, I love these. These are so good. I'm gonna get 3 of you. Where are the birria tacos? Excuse me, sir. Hi, where are your birria tacos?
Well, the beef burger is right here.
Oh.
Really good with the arepas, actually.
With the arepas? Okay.
Stuff them, dip them. They said about 4 arepas to 1 pack of birria. So 2 packs of arepas, 1 pack of birria.
Oh, thank you.
And if you have extra broth left over, you know, put it on some rice and boom.
Wow. Oh, these look good. Those. Here.
Alright. Let's go, honey.
Hey, come on, baby. Let's go, honey. Good. Okay, we are in the cheese aisle. So I'll get some shredded organic mozzarella. Oh, look. You got white cheddar, Papa. Your favorite.
It's like in the middle. Yeah. Or actually, might be on the end as well. Check there. But we definitely have.
You want to get some bacon? Oh, they got some sliced turkey breast. Heat and serve. Just chicken. Oh, this looks good. Great. The chicken nuggets are sold out. No, they're not.
They sold out?
We got lucky. Got some of these. Oh, let me get some of those. Oh, these are cute. How do you make it? Oh, you use it with water.
S.
I'm excited for this. What did you grab? What is that? Okay, put in a cart. Our cart is filling up, guys. We need some eggs.
Mama,
Yes.
Mama,
Yes.
look.
Wait, wait, wait. Ay, wait. So we're gonna do
What we got today, honey?
which one? This is $4.29. This is $2.99. So extra large eggs. Let's do this one. Yeah.
So, as y'all guys, I got some grapes.
Be gentle.
Fresh air, you got to wash it, everything.
Come, we need some yogurt.
Yeah.
Oh. I've never tried French vanilla. I'm gonna get this. I like to make. I love these turmeric shots. Do one of these.
Mommy, guess what I got in the cart? In the cart.
We don't need no watermelon, Jay. Let's get some carrots. Grab the carrots. Thank you. Ooh. Come on, Papa. Put it inside the cart. Lord. Come on. Alright, we're gonna do some sweet potatoes. And I think we're good for now. You like that one?
I need some milk for my cereal.
We are at checkout. I definitely love this in my soup. Let me get some of this. Jace, we don't need this. I'm sorry. He put this in there by accident. Sorry. This total's adding up. Real fast.
And that's only half.
I know. I think I'm gonna be at like 200. I'm projecting.
Maybe 120, 130.
Let's see. Got all of this. Okay, so now let's see everything that I got. Alright guys, so it's the next day, so I'm going to be making some Alfredo. So I'm going to use this and this. and some Alfredo sauce and some mozzarella cheese. And I'm going to show you guys the end result, because literally I'm just going to boil the water, which I'm doing right here.
Good morning, guys.
It's good afternoon, baby.
Good afternoon, guys.
Okay, so I'm just boiling the water. I'm going to put that in there for a few minutes, and then I'm going to heat up my sauce with this, and that's it. Mix it all together. 1, 2, 3. So it's been about 10 minutes. You know, people don't listen to instructions. So I'm gonna drain this a little bit and add the chicken. Same thing. So I already drained a little bit of water that was in there from the chicken. I did add some of my garlic complete seasoning. Well, it's just complete seasoning, but it has everything in it. And now I'm gonna add back the pasta and throw in some Rayos. So Rayos, and that's it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is the cheese I used. All right, so my pot's a little messy, but we're gonna add this. Yeah. Now let me give it a cute little mix. And this is the final outcome. So you can't really see the cheese, but when you look. Yeah. So I'm gonna plate it and make it look even cuter. Alright, so it doesn't look that pretty, but it was about to slip off my plate. But let me just try some with y'all. It's all about how it tastes. Let me try one of these. That's a ravioli. That's good. This is really easy. Excuse me for smoking while I'm eating, but this is good. So I poured some orange juice. This one is the one that have no pulp. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. Y'all will never turn back to those other orange juices ever again. Hope you guys enjoyed my vlog. See you in the next video. Bye.
That's not Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Don't play.